Well, hello there, and welcome to Mile High Living. I'm Emily McKenzie, filling in for Gina Bellich. We're going to begin today with our Home Pros segment, and we have our resident HVAC Home Pros in the house, Colorado Discount Heating and Cooling. And I've got Colin and Carlos with us to talk, and we got the memo of matching outfits, Colin.
Yep, he didn't.
I hate to, I don't know if this is too much information, but I have the worst allergies, and I know that we're heading into a really bad allergy season, and HVAC can totally help with reducing those. Let's talk about that. Help me.
Absolutely. So your HVAC system is integral in your home's healthiness, I guess. It moves the air through the house. The filter, which everybody knows where it is, reluctantly changes it, not as often as they should. Huge part of keeping your indoor air quality healthy and keeping the allergies out of your system.
What else can homeowners do to reduce allergies?
So changing the filter routinely. Everybody asks how often. It depends how much you use your system, but every 3 months you should be checking it. So taking that out, looking at it, cleaning it if it's a cleanable filter, or replacing it is the key thing to keep the air moving through your duct system clean.
Every 3 months. That is good to know. I'm going to have to start upping my home services. Now the air ducts, as a homeowner, they're out of sight, out of mind for me, which is a really bad thing. Like what else should homeowners be doing, about the long-term effects of
So
the
ducts
HVAC?
need to be cleaned. As the air is moving through the system, the filter doesn't catch everything, so it will get in your blower compartment of your furnace. It will then go into your cooling coil of your air conditioning system, and then it sticks to the sides of the ductwork. There's some things we're showing on the screen right now that are kind of gross, and that's what. So if it's going through your filter, through your blower system, through your coil, through your ducts, and into your air, your lungs are the next filter, and we want to keep it away from that.
Those before and afters are those really get me. I love those before and afters. And now in Colorado, super duper dry. What about humidifiers? How can those help a household?
So here we have a humidifier. The way it works, water runs down the panel, and as air flow runs across the panel, it produces, the water evaporates, turns into humidity. So the humidifier provides optimum humidity and comfort throughout the entire home, all at the same time. It has additional health benefits, and it could be energy efficient towards the entire equipment.
So I have a little humidifier in my bedroom, but this is for the whole house.
This does the whole house. So it's tied into the HVAC system, runs through it, and goes out all the registers throughout the home.
Oh, that's so good for Colorado. And what's going on here with this little light situation?
So here we have a UV light. The carbon filter, the back part, that's going to neutralize any odors in the air. The blue light is going to disinfect and sanitize. The biggest thing we want to keep disinfected is our cooling coil, which is indoor. We want to make sure there's no mold or bacteria growth on there. Keep the indoor air sanitized, neutralized 24/7. The humidifier, obviously Colorado, it is a very dry state. Dry air is where airborne viruses, they do thrive and grow.
Oh, I didn't know that.
By adding humidity, we reduce the amount of time viruses live in the air, therefore minimizing how much viruses there are throughout the home.
That's amazing. I didn't know that. This little HVAC trivia for everybody. And why should we be calling you over any other company in town?
We're here to help. We're here to provide the ultimate home comfort to the customers, and we want to reach out and provide that to everyone.
Well, everyone's going to get humidified. Everyone is going to get their lungs cleaned from you guys. I have no doubt we're going to be calling you up. Thank you so much for being here. Great outfit too, by the way. If you want unparalleled heating and cooling service at unbeatable prices, call the Home Pros at Colorado Discount Heating and Cooling today. For the first 5 callers that mention Mile High Living, you're going to receive a free box of filters with a seasonal furnace or an AC tune-up. Call them at 303-566-1090 or visit their website. It is at calldenverhvac.com. They paid for today's segment, and we will be right back.